Hello, welcome back to Expulse Travel Diary. I am in Bongaigaon town. We are going to visit two locations today, and we are coming out for breakfast. Today is Sunday and the road is practically empty, and the time is 10:52 a.m. So in front of me is Sir Nobin Nursery with its legendary Thunderbird 350. It's a warm day, but once you hop on the bike, there begins the air condition. Expulse is getting a chance to ride around in Bongaigaon town. It's lovely. I'm not sure whether you're able to hear the thump of the Royal Enfield or not, but I can hear on my naked ears. It's very loud. Nowadays the exhaust sound of the Royal Enfield, especially the BS6, has become very soft or slow. So this is a modification that was done for the free flow exhaust pipe.
Let's have a parada here.
Okay, this is Samagam Hotel, so we are going to get some paratha and do our breakfast here, and then we proceed to our destination. Now we are moving from Bongaigaon town to Goalpara. Yeah, as I said, the good thing about Assam is the road. I Guwahati Hrena New Atong Uzapu Tasauru Hangtuna Bongaigaon ho Tabam Tonge. Omnena kata Sauru Lote. Omnena Sai He Bongaigaon Horena Goalpara district. Quay ta khang ta bam dong hai kon Bongaigaon hai Assam kho petroleum ni thau refinery kho ka tat mai district akhat te kho trena Goalpara district kho ta dong hai tao hai cheng hai ni gai na nai de hai cheng hai te na sammai mai sai gai na taklu mai cheng ai no sai ko me so te ke Assam kho gai mi sai mi hai cheng kho to bên mình làm gai thấy sao ta hàng mắt xem hay gai thế mày thôi đại thao mày như thế lần quần lần đèn mày như thế bay nữa gai á sao mà không không nè đúng ai mày sao mày kiểu quay tắt mày gần có thôi bikers hàng như thế bởi bạn mày hàng như thế sẽ gai thế mày thôi tắt đi không gần là sản mắc rồi nó cũng mà thằng gặp nó cũng đúng ai xỉ không đúng ấy. Tờ băm này Hawaii xì để sinh bút lao đó. Nếu tông Nagaland, Manipur sinh lệ giáo nã thì thôi sinh bút lao nó thế hay thôi. Cái số thì cái Hawaii xì tên là sáng này sáng mãi ấy không ạ. Humidity đuôi sụp buồn họ gáy cho mày thôi sáng này sáng cái pum cái nắp mãi thì cái gari thiểm họ cũng tắt là bay tụng với gần thôi buồn hay bay nó cả gìn cho mày thôi Hawaii thì nghe. So you can see the Royal Enfield flying there. I'll have to catch him up. This is one lane, so we have to be a little careful. So Saturday and Sunday, Sir Novin has made himself available to take me around and to go for a ride together. It's so kind of him to take me around and show me some of the beautiful places, and apart from that to just go for a ride together. It's very nice feeling. We are on our own horses. Expulse is doing very well. One thing I noticed about the construction of road is that the road level is much higher than the rest of the area, because Assam is also prone to floods during the rainy season. So in this way the road will not be affected much. So this is a very good concept that they have taken well, and at the same time the engineers make sure that the road is at the same level. So that's a very good thing. Assam cũng đuôi ni đại quang tận thế nào tiếng ru mấy gan họ cũng cho mấy thằng sang he bài mấy thằng area hàng xóm thằng sang he bay na cao na cái xiêm nó vậy cái này mà cũng thì là tiếng ni ru mấy gan họ đuôi đại na quang sang to affect số mất hàng cái này cái xiêm suy hắc là vậy hay thì跑mà bay na cái hắc được này cái railway track he thằng đó thì là thế. Saya nanti kum tekan rap dan sana. Assam ko ni man say mix pa na shooting eh. Assamese may na ite kau na tribals may ni pa na naya kene bang ni. This is so special, guys. I hope you can see it there. Look at there. My God, so beautiful. Oh, this is probably Brahmaputra River. As bay na Hawaii ding ai. Hay Brahmaputra dui thuak tu ba mi kêu thế gì. Bongaigaon for na Goalpara pan mấy cái thôi. Hay hay cũng sầu ru bị tổn thế. Mai riêng cái này đuôi cái này tikan pa mình ta xiêm lâu mình ta Hawaii đấy ngay. Gan mình quay này không phải photo cap không có bằng cái thế. Wow. Asai he Muslim mình tông ít nít na cái điều này ngài na ngài na quay bằng cái thay. Các số nàyเขาtụi mình island cũng được guys, đuôi cái sông có thể ram lao nó khát hầu nó làm say cái nó này nãy có mấy tin cái nó suy rồi cái này làm thầu nên là thôi Hawaii đi nghe có mấy bom có xiêm cái này nó thôi run hắc đi nghe tận tập xa mấy rồi là rai tiếp hắc nó slow cũng mình thấy mà tuy from Hawaii đây quan Lusuri về Hawaii đấy ngay. Này to can pa the tamo. Oh, such a well built iron bridge this is. And it's so high. I think now we are going down a bit. It's well built. Hôm hè cái xiêm suy hắc đi guys. Hậu thời giáo với thế gì, cái tăng cái nhiều ta cái luồng cái này ta hậu thân chị thì đi guys. We can see those pillars right from there. It's really well built. Amazing. Kham ding là thôi nằm đó mà khai có mầm xịn thôi. Giáo với mấy người này Hawaii là hậu là không thấy thì là lùm đình thế. Oh, hậu thời gì hay thế này đi thuộc sông rầm lao nó này thì là Hawaii đấy nghe. Hey, pumit si bay no ni. Gat som di ka. Assam police. Sai ni Sunday ni tin thai tuna ga no ni. Ai si ta bang gai kum nge. Ram gai. Hey, thì dạo có nó rồi thì nó sẽ nó bên đây là hay sang thì ta lâu rồi này tao hết quay sang cái này mình ra đấy nè good này mình ra đấy cả police station này sao hả so it's taking me downside to see the view closer. It's going to be real fun. When you look at the lake or river and alongside some forest or hill with lots of greenery, just something actually happens within you, no? That there is a sense of life bubbling. Water is life, and also the green, also greenery also is life. Look at this bridge, the way it turns. So beautiful. How ka bang rene pum de hau than thi hau thi se. So chui hang nang siam lo de ngai sai pum phao mo. Hai pum bang khau hai railway ti tat ti biza the ki. Kum na karu rena sang sung ti ta da tin ha. Hai na ka thi khat kho so chui hak lo de ngai. Hai rena Guwahati rena 152, Shillong rena 243, Tura 150. Anh yêu quay sang này hay cũng là nằm có connection nó ngắm mấy thằng mà đi cầm nó ngoài này thôi saoไม่แซงไม่ได้ไม่กวย officer นั้นกวยตะบางร้องนั่นแหละมาแค่มณิปุรนี่เทนาฬานี่เทนี่เราไม่กวยให้แซงไอ้มา connect เราไว้ตรงไหนทั้งหมดอันนี้เราหมดน่ะเสร็จลงอ่ะฮักเนาะลุงน่ะกวยน่ะบำบัดนี่ได้ไม่กวยนะใครลวงกันอยู่รำลงนี่ก็เห่าđó lâu tiêu hay cho xanh thì nó trên thấy cả lồng hầu để ra hầu cho hầu ấy mà nó hầu cũng ấy thì kệ là nó ngoài nó sẽ cao 6 tuần vậy. This is the Brahmaputra River, right? Yes. Guys, have a look at the Brahmaputra River. That was the bridge through which we came, and in between also you can see this electrical wire post structure. And earlier this was the boat which the police used to monitor the situation. Very good. So we can learn something more from you also. What is
actually this is the view of Brahmaputra River from somewhere close to Goalpara town.
okay.
It's sort of the shortcut to Goalpara town if you come from Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon, no?
I found this place to be quite beautiful, so I prefer taking this route to Goalpara.
For me also it was a good treat. I get to see this beautiful river and that special bridge, iron bridge. Ne?
Yeah.
And below I think train goes,
Yes.
no? And then on top is for the
On top
vehicles.
is for the vehicles, down the trains move. Railway track is there.
The bridge seems to be very solid.
Yes.
The iron structure and everything, no?
It's not too new actually. It
Okay.
must be about 20 to 30 years old, probably.
Some renovation they did, what, like that bridge, no? The color is like all looks like quite new or something.
In between
They
they must have
painted or
done
something
renovation, but of late no renovation.
Okay.
So the condition is slightly bad. It's not so smooth.
Oh, the road here, no?
But I think before this Dhola Sadia bridge was built, this was the longest bridge
Oh,
in
okay.
Assam.
I see. This also, like, there are so many young people out there, no?
Yes.
Taking
Today being
photos.
Eid,
Eat.
most of them are out. Many of them are taking photographs
Yeah.
and just spending some time.
Yes. That's a beautiful.
We'll proceed towards Goalpara from there,
Mm-hmm.
towards Goalpara town.
Okay.